if you suffer an on-the-job injury, whether it's physically at your work site or you're in a car or on an exterior work site, or even if you're working from home and are injured at home now in this kind of post-COVID world, you need to report it to your employer. Reporting that injury to your employer starts the entire process. And unknown to the employee, there are timeframes within which if you fail to report the injury to your employer, you may be deprived of some or all of the available workers' compensation benefits. So the most important advice to a person who has been injured on the job is you must report that to your employer. They will then do what's called a first report of injury to the workers' compensation system. And then they may define and tell you, okay, you need to go be seen at this doctor's office. And there may be other choices. You're not always stuck at that one doctor's office, but your employer in some circumstances can control where you start to get your treatment. So that's the most important thing I would say is you got to report the injury, and then you need to follow through. And you also need to understand that the workers' compensation system has a lot of workers' compensation doctors, and you need to understand that you do have rights with respect to that treatment. And in many cases, if you're injured on the job, you got to really fight to be heard in the doctor's office. And you got to make sure that you're not having doctors who are aligned with the workers' compensation system telling you you're better if you're not better. So you have to be a real good self-advocate, and your lawyers can help you with that too.